If you've ever attempted to finish any drywall around your home, you realize that it takes a little skill, and the first step is to tape all of the seams.
Well, here, Danny, you see I've just applied the first layer of joint compound to the seam between two sheets on the ceiling. The next step is to set the paper tape in the joint compound. And that's where a lot of homeowners run into trouble, because it takes two hands to handle the roll of tape. Now, what I've come up with to make that job a little easier is simply this little holder made from a wire hanger. Take a pair of pliers and just bend the hanger as it's shown here, snip the ends, tape them together, and bend it over. This dimension here has to be wide enough to hold the 2-inch roll of tape. Then this part you can simply clip right onto the waistband of your pants or your belt.
Now this is real handy because when you're taping a room like this full of drywall, you're having to move around the perimeter of the room and up and down the ladders many times.
And here, once you get it set, use both hands to put it in there. Then come back with the knife and squeeze out any wrinkles and excess air. You get a nice smooth joint.
Now this works great if you're using other rolls of material, say duct tape or masking tape or carpet tape. All of those work real well with a handy little rig like this. But Joe, over the years you've shown us a lot of different ways to take coat hangers and make little things like this. I just wonder, where does he put his clothes?